everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Anne Maria from Grade 4, and guess what? Today is June 8th, the Best Friends Day. Isn't that cool? A whole day just to celebrate the amazing people we call our best friends. Best friends are the ones who sit next to you when you are feeling sad, who laughs at your silly jokes, and who shares their snacks even when they really don't want to. They make life so much fun. Whether we are playing games, doing homework, or just talking during break time, everything is better with friends. And today is the perfect time to say something that we don't always say out loud. Thank you, friends. Thank you for being kind, for cheering us up, and for always being there. Also, let's not forget it's not just about having a best friend, it's about being one too. Let's be kind of friend who listens, who helps, and who spreads happiness. So, to all my friends out there, happy Best Friends Day. Let's keep making memories, laughing out loud, and being there for each other. Don't forget to smile at your friends today and even give them a little surprise. See you in the next video. Bye.